Excel is dead. Spreadsheets, formulas, endless calculations, stop. It's time to move on from the old ways of handling data. The days of manually inputting numbers, struggling with complex formulas, and spending hours trying to make sense of endless rows and columns are over. AI has taken over, and these tools will make Excel look like a relic from the past. Welcome to Perspective of AI. Today we will learn about 10 AI tools to make Excel like brewing coffee. Let's dive in. 1. Sheet AI app. Type in plain English as input and Sheet AI does the work for you. No more struggling with syntax or complex functions. Just tell it what you need and watch as it transforms your instructions into actionable data. Visit sheetai.app. All the links are in description and wait for bonus 10th free AI tool. Watch till the end. Second, ArcWise. AI that learns your business. It integrates directly into your spreadsheets, making data work for you like never before. AI that learns your business. ArcWise adapts to your specific needs, understanding the nuances of your data and providing insights tailored to your business. It integrates directly into your spreadsheets, making data work for you like never before. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows your business inside out. Visit arcwise.app. Third, ChatCSV. What if you could talk to your data? With ChatCSV you can. No more digging through rows and columns to find what you need. Just ask ChatCSV questions, and it responds with insights like your personal data analyst. It's like having a conversation with your data, making it easier to understand and act upon. Head over to fourth one is Numerous AI. ChatGPT meets Google Sheets, automate reports, generate insights, and manage data. No formulas needed. Numerous AI combines the power of ChatGPT with the functionality of Google Sheets, making your data work smarter, not harder. Find out more at numerous.ai. Fifth, Rose.ai-powered data analysis at the speed of thought. Rose allows you to process and analyze data faster than ever before, giving you the insights you need in real-time. Summarize, transform, and make better decisions, fast. With Rose you can turn raw data into actionable insights in seconds. Sixth one is a genius, so it is Genius Sheets. Connect your internal data, run AI-powered analysis, and make real-time decisions like never before. Genius Sheets brings all your data together, providing a comprehensive view of your business. Check them out at geniussheets.us. Seventh one is equals to equals. A blank sheet that turns into an AI-powered dashboard. Equals transforms your data into visual insights, making it easier to understand and act upon. Insights in seconds. No manual effort required. With Equals, you can focus on making decisions rather than preparing data. Go to equals.com/AI. 8th chartpixel.ai- generated charts and presentations. Skip the boring work and get straight to the insights. ChartPixel takes the hassle out of creating visual data representations, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Visit chartpixel.com. 9th is Julius AI. Chat with your spreadsheets like a pro. Julius AI makes interacting with your data as easy as having a conversation. Julius AI delivers instant, expert-level analytics. No more waiting for reports or struggling with complex data sets. Find out more at julius.ai. 10th and your bonus FormulaBot AI. Hate writing formulas? FormulaBot turns natural language into Excel and Google Sheets formulas instantly. No more Googling complicated functions. Visit now, formulabot.com. Spreadsheets don't have to be painful anymore. With these AI tools you can transform the way you work with data, making it more efficient and enjoyable. AI is changing the game, and these tools are leading the way. Embrace the future of data management and see how much easier your work can become. Which tool are you adding to your workflow? Drop a comment below. Want more AI-powered insights? Share your thoughts and let us know which tool excites you the most. Hit that subscribe button and follow for more game-changing tech. Stay updated with the latest in AI and technology. Subscribe and follow on YouTube. Don't miss out on the future of data management and AI innovations.